Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and I'm an independent sales representative with Avon, and today I thought I'd show you how I apply the FMG Liquid Shadow in Citrine, which is this one right here. And Citrine is kind of an interesting name. It's actually a semi-precious gemstone. It is the birthstone of November, and citrine is an old French word which means citron, and citron means lemon. So kind of interesting little tidbit. So let's get started. I tried to do my brows before I started so that I could just have that done. And instead of grabbing the eyebrow pencil, which clearly says eyebrow, I grabbed a liner, which I'm going to use. I grabbed the brown sugar liner. So I tried to line my eyebrows with eyeliner. I mean, I don't know what my problem is today, but anyways, I had to take it off, and I still have like little glitter pieces of this has glitter in it. And yeah, I still have little pieces of glitter in my eyebrows. So we're off to a great start, but that's okay. It's okay. We're good to go. We're good to go. So I generally just do my eyes kind of the same, you know, and I really vary what goes on the lid. So I'm going to start with this color right here, which you can't get these anymore. I feel so bad. But yeah, I'm just going to pop that in the, whoops, I can't see. Pop this in the crease. It might help if I turn the light on. Maybe. Oh, it helps me. Helps me definitely. And currently the air conditioning is off, but you might hear it kind of whiz on and it's kind of noisy. But I am in the desert and it is currently 99 degrees, going up to 107 today. So I need that air conditioning to pop on, but it is kind of annoying. It's definitely annoying. So again, I just kind of put a neutral type color in the crease and just, you know, work that until I think it looks nice. That's my gauge, it looks nice. And then I take this color right here and I just do a little in the brow, which I can totally see all that glitter. Oh God, I can't believe I did that. That's like the dumbest thing. But I did it. All right. And for my face, I've already put on my face and skincare and all that good stuff. But today I'm using this foundation, which is really nice for mature skin. I think it's a really nice foundation. And then for my red spots, because I'm kind of red in these areas, I do the by Redness, just a little dot and just kind of blend that out. I didn't have my cashmere foundation with me. I guess I left that at home in San Diego, but yeah, I kind of forgot it. So anyways, just putting a little chocolate in the outer corner, as I normally do. Like I said, I don't do too much, you know, I'm not like a super creative eyeshadow person. I just do what works, and this kind of works for me. So I just blend a little bit. This brush is a Real Techniques brush. I don't think they sell this one anymore, but I'm going to be off later today and I'm probably gonna go do a little bit of errands. I need to buy some like already cooked food because it's so hot. Well, like as I mentioned, but this particular house, the sun is rising in the east, of course. Then it clocks around, you know, because it's southern exposure. And then the kitchen is in the west. So by the time the sun is full on fire, by the time it gets to that area and I'm cooking in the kitchen, it is so hot, and the air conditioning has to work so hard to get back up to, you know, 74. Like it just jumps to, if I heat anything, even if I use the toaster oven to cook some like already chicken nuggets or something, the temp will jump to like 78, and then it's working all night to try to get back down to 74, and it's kind of harsh. But so I need food that's already cooked. So anyways, long story. Let's talk about citrine right here. We're gonna put this on. It's so pretty. It's like a goldeny brown, even though a lot of the citrine colors have a bit of orange in them. This one is sort of a goldeny brown. It's really, really pretty. And we'll just kind of apply that to the eye. And of course, I always use the applicator. and kind of lay it down where I want it, and then I just spread it out nicely with my finger. I guess you could use a brush. I really haven't ever used a brush for this particular eyeshadow. That's beautiful. I just love it. And it's nice and long wearing. I mean, it'll wear pretty long, but if I'm out and about, it will crease. I mean, it's just far too hot. So, oh, it's pretty. Oh my goodness, it's pretty. Now, if I want to take the sparkle up a little higher, I'll pull out this quad, which is Mistress. It has really pretty, I've used this before, but it has a really pretty, this one right here is a really pretty little orange sparkle. And I'll dot that right in the center. Just a little bit of sparkle. Just a little bit of light to the center of the eye. And I quite like that, because I think that's really pretty. Oh, and it just kicks the citrine up just a notch if that's what you're looking for, which I am. And then I'll take maybe a little bit of it and add more sparkle to the brow bone, which I just sort of added some sparkle on its own. So there you go. Those are the eyes. And then I'm going to just do a quick eyeliner. This is the, you know, always pointy. That's not the name of it. What's the name of it? Always sharp. No, it is always on point eyeliner, but it's not always pointy. And whoops. There, so it's always got that nice little point. And I don't know if I'll be able to cut some of this out because eyelining is kind of a boring segment of any video. But yeah, I don't really put on too much because I'm just running some errands, as I mentioned. I may check out Five Below while I'm out and about too. Five Below is a good place to get some makeup brushes. They have some nice makeup brushes at Five Below. So it's always good to check out different places to get inexpensive eye brushes. So there you have it. It always takes me a bit to do eyeliner. It's not like, I mean, I've watched some people and they're like, swoop, and they're done. I'm like, oh, that's cool. I wish I could do that. I don't do that very well. But back to eye brushes, I think, I'm pretty sure there's no name on it. What's it? I think it's just called Chic Pro crease brush. I think this is a Five Below brush. It's really nice. It's the brush that I love, you know, kind of the dome shape. I believe I bought this at Five Below, but they have all kinds of, I know I bought this one there. So cute. Lots of cute stuff. We love cute and inexpensive items. So now I'm going to actually use the brown sugar to do my lower lash line, which I tried to use in my brow. Good gosh, I don't know what I was thinking about, but yeah, I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. That is for sure. Okay, very pretty. And I'm going to smudge that edge. Use like a pointed brush to smudge that out. And I do this with really all liners. None of them really go on perfectly. So I just sort of smudge those out. And the good news is the air conditioning hasn't turned on. So hopefully that'll stay off and I can get this done. Oh, there it goes. I spoke too soon. But yeah, the air is really noisy, and I think we need to have it serviced because it just doesn't seem to be blowing as cold as it possibly could. And it's an old unit too, so I'm sure it's doing the best it can. So there you go. All right, eyes are pretty done. Now I'm going to actually use the eyebrow pencil to shade in my eyebrows. You know, this is a waxier consistency, and it tugs a little, so you gotta give it a little bit of pressure, and I know that, and so I did that with the eyeliner, and all of a sudden it's coming off really dark, and I'm like, what is going on with this? Of course, I wasn't using the eyeliner. So, but I've done the absolute opposite with this one. I've tried to use this as eyeliner and wondering why I couldn't get any color out of it and why it was so waxy. So I am my own worst enemy when I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. So what can you do? Oops, oh no. And I'm always dropping stuff. It's the weirdest thing. I think in every video I've done, I'm always dropping something. It's really, really funny. So then I'm just gonna take like a little brow gel, and my little secret to keeping this nice and clear is I just use a spoolie, a clean spoolie, and then I get product, and then I use it on my brow. And I don't, once it's in here, I don't put it back, because that's how you turn a clear gel into a mucky, muddy, gross looking brow gel. So nice and clear, just like clear to the very last drop. I do have an Avon one. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere. But with that one, I couldn't fit the spoolie in it. It won't fit in, and so I removed the stopper, and that just made a mess. So I think it leaks now because I did that. That was not a smart thing to do either. So learn by my example. Okay. Next up, we're going to do a little blush, and this is the Berry, which I don't think I've used on camera, so it should be pretty exciting. Let's see how this goes. I dot them on and I do a brush, or I apply the brush, or sometimes I use my fingers. I don't, ooh, that's lovely. Pretty. Yeah, you can do these all kinds of ways. I've applied it to the brush. I've used my fingers to blend it out, and I've used a brush to blend it out. And it all works because it's a good product. It's a good blush product that spreads beautifully. And, it's not lifting up your foundation or anything like that. And it's a beautiful blush. It's a beautiful formula, really. It's kind of foolproof. Like, you're not gonna have any problems with these at all. It's pretty. All right, I am going to go get dressed, do my hair, put on some mascara. I'll be back in a bit. I'll see you. Don't go away. Hi there, I am back. I got dressed, did something with my hair. Well, didn't do anything with my hair. My hair is still a little damp, but all I need to do is go outside and it'll be dry like that. So to get dressed, I have on this really pretty, it's called the Starry Coin Layered Necklace. I had to look at my computer, that's why I'm looking that way. This is from Avon. This is really pretty. This is still available, so I really like it. And the top I have on is super colorful, and it's from Venus. I don't shop at Venus very often. It's an online store. But once in a while, I kind of, peruse the website and pick up a few items. So that is what I picked up, and I gotta put on some glasses so I can see what I'm doing. This is called, I'm gonna do the Birthday Balm, but I always forget which one it is. Oh, surprise. This one is Surprise, and I thought it's a mauve balm, and I thought it'd sort of go with my top, so we're gonna do that. And these are nice. I like these because technically you don't really need a mirror to do this. You can just throw these on and be on your way. But I do like a little sparkle. So I'm gonna put this over top. This is not sold by Avon anymore. I wish they would bring this back. I think it's really it's a lip plumper, but it doesn't sting. But it's really pearlized like that. And it looks beautiful on the lips, and I don't know why they took it away. And it's minty, so it's yummy. I love minty products. Those are my favorite lip products. Vanilla and mint are my two favorite lippy flavors. So this is a minty one. And that is it for me. I think the eye look turned out pretty good. It's really pretty, and yeah. So if you're shopping around, I think that this is definitely worth picking up. So that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.